35-degree day today in Coimbra, so we've come down to the Mondego River along the banks. It's beautiful down here. There's some natural surroundings. You've got your cafes and restaurants over there. If you want to get something to eat or something to drink, you can walk over the pedestrian bridge to the other side where there's a beach, and there's some nice trees for shade where we're gonna go and relax.
Saturday morning, so there's people around, and there's the giant bear. He's one of the features marked on maps.me. People are out on the stand-up paddle boards and lying under trees. And this is it, our first foray over the river.
Looking back across the river at Coimbra, you can see down at the bottom there, they're developing that area, which will be a lovely park area when it's finished. Above it, on top of the hill, is the centre of the university with a clock tower, and to the right of it is the Science University, where we were yesterday.
Oh, this looks so cool. They've got kayaks and stand-up paddle boards, pedalos over there. There's a nice little area where are they having races or training? I'm not too sure. Oh my word, it's bloomin' kayak polo. The red kayaks versus the white. That's so cool. We found a lovely place to relax in the shade with this beautiful view behind us. 30 degrees at the moment, so we'd better eat our chocolate biscuits from Mini Presso pretty quickly because the chocolate is starting to melt. But this is just lovely. We've brought our sarongs, we've got books to read, you can sit back and relax and just enjoy this glorious place.
This is the old Santa Clara Monastery that was founded by Queen Elizabeth in the early 1300s, and it's too low down, so it got flooded by the river, and that's why they had to build the new one further up on the hill. But we can see from here that it was quite extensive. There seems to be a lot of construction work going on, and it's quite empty inside, but you can pay to go inside, and there's a museum as well, I believe.
I think it's incredible. You can see from here just how submerged the church actually was. The land's up here, it's down there. Apparently it was semi-submerged, and they excavated it and it was retrieved in 1995.
This is the Monastery of Santa Cruz, founded in 1131. Beautiful in the afternoon light. Much room for manoeuvre around here.
Today's set menu looks amazing. It's pork and it's sausage, chips, rice, side salad. We've got our jug of wine each.
Yep, and the vegetable soup, which we really like. Incredible meal here. We've really enjoyed it. That's why we keep coming back.
He's still going with his soup. Yeah, that's just wonderful. €6.50. Grab your hot snack. Chicken bacon barbecue, $3.10. Lots of things, and over here are snacks and crisps. So the prices in Coimbra seem to be a lot lower than ones I've seen elsewhere. 115,000 euros for a 2-bedroom. This one's 163,000 for a 3-bedroom.
Coimbra railway station. Just come into Coimbra railway station because we love railway stations. We thought we'd check it out. There's the Coimbra emblem up there above the door. It's really quite pretty. Lovely ironwork. Do you like it, Mandy?
Turns out, oh, lovely train station, but it's 50 cents to use the toilet. So
Okay,
I'm just going to wait to Pingo Dos.
Radio. So these are the platforms. There's only a few. No trains at the moment. Lovely old waiting room. Impressive.
So we're sitting here in Plaza Republica. Lee's a bit tense because we're watching the English-Denmark game. So far it's 1-1. Having a nice Sagres beer. It was €2.20 for a caneca.
Yeah, from Republica over the road. Really nice, good beer. Like it.
The guy has to like go over to the bar, get the beer, run it back, and then bring it to us. But it's a good idea, good scheme. This is our glorious Airbnb in Coimbra. An amazing host, Fatima. She's just been absolutely wonderful. And we come in. These brilliant decorations everywhere. Wooden floors. Now we've shown you our bedroom, but here it is again. He's having a little rest. We'll have to get everything all packed up for tomorrow to come through. Oh, lovely. This is Sophia. She's gorgeous. Oh yes, she's very talkative. Beautiful girl. Step very carefully around her. This is one of the other lovely rooms. I mean, just look at how high the ceiling is. It's gorgeous. And just the lovely decorations and things that Fatima's added, you know, it's just really cool. You come along. There are actually 2 bathrooms. This is the main one that we use. It's lovely. Got your bidet and your toilet. Lovely and light. And we come round and there's another one under the stairs that sort of, you know, we just use occasionally in case of emergencies. It's not quite as pretty. Very utilitarian. And there's Fatima there, and we come round. And it's just so lovely. We've had an amazing week here. I mean, look at those high ceilings. It's everything you need for a comfortable stay. And 2 most beautiful cats and the loveliest dog as well, you know? It's just been really cool. We've had the best time and it's been really lovely. Sad to leave, but we're going to be going pet sitting, house sitting, which will be wonderful. And at least we've had a little bit of pet time here. We had an amazing stay at Fatima's.
It was a really good place to stay in Coimbra. We really enjoyed it and we're looking forward to the next chapter now.
Yeah, walking to the bus station. Oh boy.
Some of the many steps. I'm sure my calf muscles are so much more toned after a week in Coimbra. Come here, you become an athlete.